Here is a tricky maths problem that looks easy, but most people get it wrong. Can you solve it? So let's now start. Take a moment, look at this question and try to guess the answer. Be careful, there's a rule we need to follow. So let's now take 5 seconds to check it out. We have 8 plus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3. So the first thing that you need to do, or the first rule that you need to put in place is the BODMAS rule. So we have the B stands for the bracket, O stands for of, then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, then the other one stands for subtraction, that is S. In math, we don't just solve from left to right. We follow the order of operation. That means do any multiplication and division first, then addition and subtraction. So let's now solve it step by step. First, we have 8 divided by 4. That is equals to 2. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Now the problem becomes 8 plus 4 minus 3. So in this case, now add and subtract from left to right. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 minus 3 is 9. And that's the final answer. That is 9. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and try more maths, puzzles, or questions with me. See you next time. I'm your host, Teacher John. Bye bye.